to get back to season 2 and how we plan to
improve.
I'm just going to show the audience all of the equipment we use in season 1 to make this happen. So, are you ready? Is everybody ready? Okay, here we go.
Bam.
Is basically the one and only piece of equipment besides the laptop and editing equipment. And this is a GoPro Hero 6 Black. This is basically all we used for season 1. So for any of you out there who are watching, who are thinking about, I want to start my channel and I don't have enough of this or that. If you have a camera, like a GoPro, a camera phone, that one, for example, if you have anything like that and you just have an idea, a fun idea to run with, and someone crazy to go with you and do it, we're living proof that you can get a channel off the ground and running with something very small, as small as this, right?
Yeah.
Now, to build on this, to build on our equipment for season 2, we're adding some accessories to the fold. This is one that's actually a part of GoPro's accessories. It's actually I'll show you the box. It's a dual battery charger. So battery in here, and then I also have a battery here. So I have 2 batteries. I think you can charge both batteries at the same time for in less than a half an hour or so.
Nice, because we definitely had we did have a few incidences where on more than one occasion, more than one episode, that we were either in the corner charging, or we missed some good stuff, or we got cut off because of it died.
Exactly. I know exactly the moment that happened is when we were at Levain Bakery. And we were in the corner charging GoPro because we were worried that we wouldn't make it through the day. And we had a great conversation with that nice lady from Birmingham in England. And it would have been great to kind of get that interaction. We mentioned her a little bit later in the day, but yeah, if we had an extra battery, we'd be like, oh yeah, no problem. Like let's get this,
Yeah. And then I think there was a time when we were in Cardiff, and it was towards the end of the day or something, and so we were talking or whatever,
Yes.
and then you're like, and I think then you just splashed something in front because it was like, and that's where the camera died. Yes. And we're traveling, so we're away. We had no way to charge it at that point. We weren't anywhere. It was the end of the day, and we lost the camera.
And Ryan, if you remember, when we were in that little train station plaza, there were these 3 local kids, these 3 Welsh kids who were skateboarding.
Yes.
And they were like,
all that.
Hey, what's up? And we're like, oh, hey, you're not here. And we're like, we're American. And they were like, what are you doing in Cardiff? Why did you come to Cardiff? Just
here.
This is very honest and fun, kind of funny commentary that would have been great on camera, but because of battery.
Yeah, and we're still going to have our GoPro, and I think you're looking to get a new phone.
Right. Yes, I am going to I'm hoping to get a new iPhone here soon.
And I'm looking to get a new phone probably in the next couple of months. And I mean, these phones that are coming out, these iPhone and Samsungs, their video capabilities are crazy good on most of these anymore. So we need to also make sure that we have those options.
The GoPro is really great for action footage, like underwater and flying down a mountain like that. But we're basically using this because this is all we had. I think if we had the option for season 2 to shoot on an iPhone 11 or even an SE, and we have the proper tripod, which I do have, and I think you have a tripod now too.
I mean, I don't know what kind of, you mean something like this?
Oh yeah, even as simple as that.
Or I have
The selfie stick, yeah. Either
selfie stick with a mic on it. So, okay.
give us a little rundown of the features.
Yep. I mean, this is just a little tripod. Say there was a pole right here that we wanted to attach it to. Boom. And so, say we're traveling or wherever we are, and we need we need a shot, and we want both of us in it, and it's just us. We can, it's kind of, we just tie this baby up to a little post, wraps around, and so that's another thing. I'll anytime we go anywhere, I'm bringing this.
Yeah, so I think that tripod and the selfie stick with the mic. Can we see the selfie stick with the mic?
Yeah. So here it is. It's pretty cool. I mean, it goes out. I'm kind of one of those, and I never thought I'd use a selfie stick. But for this, it's pretty good. But yeah, you can also, if you want, you can use a mic. Which actually, the mic is really good. I actually, when we do our voiceovers, I've been using this mic, and like the difference is like it's much better generally with this. Like it's very clear as far as what's right here within this range, but it drowns out all this other background noise. So okay, so you've got the other couple batteries. I know we'd also talked about, I think your the GoPro. It's just a regular like mini USB port, right?
Yeah. But the important thing about this is that you can plug microphones into this. Now the microphone on the GoPro 6 is okay, but as our audience has seen,
that's one of the things that we definitely, something we need to address, that sometimes our audio was great, but other times
I am super excited to add this. This is the Rode VideoMicro, which is a shotgun mic, that very popular microphone for vloggers, and it looks like this. Here it is.
Oh wow, it's way smaller than I thought it was gonna be from that picture.
Oh yeah, no, you can tell it fits in the palm of my hand, and it comes with a dead cat to cancel out any wind,
whatever kind of background wind, and
yeah. So but you can see here that this plugs should plug into a normal audio jack.
So that's just a standard audio jack. Okay.
Standard audio jack, which the GoPro does not have.
Oh.
For this Rode microphone to plug into the GoPro makes you buy this very much hated dongle. It's like an audio adapter.
Okay.
So this is kind of awkward to put, this and this, all this together. So what does that mean? Oh, you have to get a case. So there's these special cases. This one's by Ulanzi. And so with this, I'll put it all together. So you got this, you got your GoPro in there, right? Get your dongle, which actually is built, there's a little case that's built underneath to hold the dongle.
Okay.
So you put that in there, and it's kind of like this kind of tedious process. You have to make sure.
Finagle it in there.
Oh yeah, it's like this whole kind of ridiculous thing, but I promise you, it is worth it. Okay, so then that plugs into the side there. You have to take off the door.
Mm-hmm.
And so now it's not waterproof anymore. We can't throw this off the Golden Gate Bridge anymore. But it's still good.
We're not going to have audio when we jump off of the bridge, is what you're saying. Or we'll just have standard audio.
Yeah, exactly. We'll have to live with standard audio.
Okay.
And it comes with this little door on the back to get it in there, and then the microphone.
Boom.
on top, okay? And then the audio jack goes into the other side of the dongle. So we go like that. And this is the full rig. This is the rig for season 2.
Sweet. Now, hey, did you get a chance to use that at all in New York today?
I did get to use this in New York, and
have you looked at any of the footage, like any of the sound?
We're gonna find out. I'm gonna add the sound checks that I've placed that I did today in New York City. I did it in like quiet and noisy and all over the place. We're gonna play that right now. Here we go. Sound check for the Rode VideoMicro. One of the big upgrades for season 2. Before this, we just had the GoPro Hero 6 black stock microphone, which, you know, did its job nobly, but when it's put into challenging conditions, it just doesn't hold up. So we're gonna take this into the city and see how the microphone holds up with city noise and all of the sounds that might pop up. Why is it always raining in New York when we come here? What's up with that? Here we go with rain in New York. Sound check. Rode VideoMicro. Sound check in the city. We're on 6th Avenue and 22nd Street. Middle of the day, New York City. Bikes going by, pedestrians going by, dogs walking. What can you hear in there? Huh? Kind of just walking towards the West Village, testing the mic with the mask. Can you pick me up with this mask on? This appears to be one of those streets that's been blocked off to traffic. Much more quiet than most parts of the city. You might be able to hear some birds chirping right now. Also the sound of sweeping. High noise environment. Let's see how the mic holds up. What's up? How you doing? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Is it all just a bunch of cars?
Those are really good.
I mean, it's way better than the normal mic. Now, we're gonna also play this. I'm recording right now, so we can see the difference between, you know, what we're used to hearing just from normal stock
Footage.
microphones, and then what this guy
Oh, you're recording on the camera right now.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So we got okay, good. A little double feature.
That's right. So, you know, obviously a lot of it depends on like where you position the mic. Because it's a shotgun mic, it has to be pointed at something. It's not like, you know, something that's like all knowing. But if you talk right now, it'll probably pick it up. Why don't you say something for the camera?
Say a little something for the camera.
And of course,
so this will pick me up. So anytime we use this, so we have to be directly in front. Like, what if we're out kind of walking and we're walking through a city or whatever? Because like today, I was like was it today or yesterday or I can't remember. I was looking at wireless ones for when we're kind of walking or distant. So is that still okay for that, or I don't know all this audio stuff.
We're gonna find out.
Okay. All right. I guess we'll have to.